We'll show you how to replace the Oppo Reno 8T 5G display, step by step and easy to follow. Power off the device completely, always start safe. Apply heat around the back panel at 100 degrees Celsius. This softens the adhesive. Use a mobile panel opener to gently lift and remove the back panel. It's glued tightly. Back panel is plastic. Remove it slowly using a mobile panel opener to avoid damage. Unscrew all screws from the mid-frame and remove the protective cover. Disconnect the battery connector first. Always disconnect power before anything else. Now disconnect the display flex and any other attached flex cables. Apply heat to the front side, then carefully remove the broken display from the frame. Clean the frame, remove old adhesive and dust for smooth display fitting. Test the new display, connect it temporarily and check touch and display before fixing. Apply display adhesive or double-sided tape around the frame. Place the new display aligned perfectly and press gently to fix it into place. Reconnect all flex cables and the battery connector securely. Reinstall the mid-frame cover and tighten all screws. Press the back panel gently to seal it. Use glue if needed. Power on the phone and check everything display. Touch and fingerprint sensor. Thank you for watching.